We're going to oil it now. It's been a wee bit. I've got some other things that have arrived. We're going to be using the boiled linseed to oil it, and along with the flyer hooks and the drive band. I mean, it's just string, but sure, drive band, and a wood furniture repair kit. Now, the wood furniture repair kit is a bunch of wood fillers of varying kind of colours of brown, etc. And that is because the flywheel, where the hooks are to go in, is very loose. The hooks were all in very loose, and there's a kind of hoop that keeps falling out, and I've just realised is somewhere. It's not going to be far, but I figure if I use wood filler of the same colour to fill the holes, wait for that to dry, and then screw in the flyer wheels. That'll make them more secure. It's the idea of it anyway. So I better get to oiling it, because this may take a minute. It might take even longer than the cleaning of it did. We'll see. We'll see. Get into it. Okay, it's entirely oiled. I don't think it actually took as long as the cleaning did, but it's oiled now. We'll leave it for a couple of days just to let the oil get right in there. I'll give it a polish. I'll oil it again in 2 days. And then I'll wait another couple of days. So it's oiled now. We're waiting 2 days. It's going to get a polish. And then it's going to be oiled again. Then we're going to wait another 2 days. And then I'm going to put in the wood filler for the holes. And leave it for a day just to make sure it's hardened. And then we'll come back when it comes to putting the flywheel hooks and the drive band. Yeah, that thing. So at that point we should be able to get it going and have a wee look at it in operation with the wheel spinning the flywheel. Is the intention. So I'll be back.